Welcome. Today, we'll explore one of Discord's most useful updates, how to synchronize your text and image settings across all your devices so your chat experience stays exactly the same no matter where you log in. If you're someone who switches between a phone, tablet, or desktop often, this setting will save you a lot of time. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once it loads, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This is where all your personal settings are managed, including preferences that affect your messages, chats, and appearance. Next, tap the settings icon. It looks like a small gear and opens a menu full of different customization options. This is where Discord stores almost everything related to your account and user experience. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Chat. Tap on it to open the chat settings page. Here you'll find tools that control how messages and images appear in your conversations. This is also where the synchronization option lives. Keep scrolling a bit further and you'll see the option that says sync across clients. Once you find it, toggle it on. This single switch ensures your chat preferences, including how text and images display, are automatically mirrored across every device where you use Discord.